Assistance dog task aiding and emptying the washing machine or tumble dryer. Part 4.
Good girl, very good.
So in this video, we have the finished behavior of passing the washing and taking the washing back out of the machine.
Good job. Very good. Good girl.
This is one of Coda's tasks, so she is very confident in the behavior.
Good girl. Very good. Nice. Good girl. Perfect. Good girl.
She does this without treats, but this is for teaching, and it's always nice to revisit how the behavior began.
Perfect. Good girl. You take it out.
She passes each item on cue. You can use any cue you like.
My fault, isn't it? You take it out.
Once all of the washing is loaded in, we then move to taking it back out.
You pick it up. Perfect. Good job.
Obviously, in normal circumstances, this wouldn't happen, and it would go on to dry.
Good job.
But for training, this builds confidence and helps to change the behavior.
Very good. Good girl. You close the door. You close the door.
Once they are able to do this behavior fully, we then move on to closing the door.
Good job. You too clever.
This was built up from a touch behavior and changing the cue to close the door.
Very good. Good job. How is your clever?